Hey everyone, this is Jim for SDC International Shipping. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to avoid a moving scam. Now, if you're planning to move internationally, I'm going to give you a little bit of advice that could save you from a nightmare experience. Every year, thousands of people looking for a moving company fall victim to middlemen posing as international movers. They look professional online, they promise cheap rates, but here's the truth. They don't actually move anything. Instead, they take your deposit, sell your move to the lowest bidder, usually an unlicensed, untrained, and unreliable third-party company, and the result is delays, lost items, extra charges, and zero accountability. Of course, you deserve better. At SDC International Shipping, we believe your move should be handled by professionals who care, not brokers just looking for a quick payday. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to spot these scams, how to avoid the risks, and how to choose a real international moving company that gets the job done correctly. Okay, so you find a moving company online, the price looks great, the website looks professional, and the representative that you're talking to on the phone is friendly. So you book a move, you pay a deposit, and you feel relieved that everything is set. But then things start to go wrong. The movers show up late or not at all. They demand extra fees on the moving day that you weren't told about. They don't pack your items properly, which eventually would lead to damage and loss. When you try and contact the company, they don't answer your calls. And this happens because the company you hired never intended to move you in the first place. In other words, they sold your move to the cheapest subcontractor they could find. No standards, no accountability, and no guarantees. And yes, this actually does happen more often than you think. And then when you're in the middle of it, by the time you realize what's happening, it's too late. But it doesn't have to be that way. Let's talk a little bit about SDC International Shipping. Now, of course, we're not the only legitimate international household moving company. But just as comparison's sake, we're not brokers, we're movers, and that's what makes us different. So at SDC, we'll handle your move from start to finish. When you book with SDC, you're dealing with our professional team, not third parties, and no outsourcing. We have experienced, trained professionals, which means our movers go through a rigorous training to pack, load, and transport your belongings with care. Next, we're fully licensed and insured, and we're certified by the Federal Maritime Commission, ensuring compliance and safety. We provide transparent pricing with no hidden fees, and the price we quote you is the price you pay, no surprises. We guide you through customs with all the paperwork, because moving internationally involves customs clearance, regulations, and logistics, and we handle all of that for you. An international move is too important to trust just anyone, and that's why companies like us here at SDC exist to ensure that you have a stress-free, reliable moving experience. So how do you make sure that you're hiring a real international moving company and not a middleman? Well, here are some of the things that you can look for. First, no physical address. If the website has no office location or it's just a P.O. box, be cautious. For example, if you want to visit SDC International Shipping's main office in Los Angeles, California, you can go there. Matter of fact, you'll see some of the people there probably that you see on our videos. Next, no licensing information. Ask for the company's FMC number for ocean freight moves. If there's no number, that's another big red flag. If you go to SDC International Shipping, you'll see that number right at the top of our website. Next, suspiciously low quotes. If the price sounds too good to be true, as the saying goes, it probably is. Next, no dedicated customer support. Can you reach the same person each time? If not, maybe reconsider. Next, vague reviews or complaints. Check Google reviews. Check the Better Business Bureau. That's a big one. And check Trustpilot for real customer experiences. Now, I know that even with these review sites, I always try and look at, and no matter what type of business you're talking about, there's always going to be somebody that's unhappy about something. But I want to see if the same complaints turn up again and again and again. So if you find, let's say, a dozen complaints, no matter how many positive complaints there are, all those dozen complaints complained about customer service, then you know that the possibility of that company having a customer service problem is actually a real problem or a real issue that they have. Now, if a company can't answer who is moving your items, if the company can't tell you where they're located or how they handle logistics, that's a good sign that you need to walk away. Now, when you choose SDC International Shipping, you're choosing, number one, a seamless moving experience. From packing to delivery and everything in between, we handle it all. Clear communication, which means a dedicated relocation specialist guides you every step of the way. Safe and secure shipping. We provide professional packing, tracking, and full insurance coverage. And timely delivery. Your belongings arrive on schedule and in one piece. That is what international moving should look like. So your move is too important to trust to middlemen. If you want a licensed, experienced international moving company, you're going to want to look for a company that has all the things I mentioned, just like SDC International Shipping does. If you want trained professionals, if you want a stress-free moving experience, give us a call at 877-339-0267 for a free, no-obligation moving quote. That's 877-339-0267. You can visit our website at www.sdcinternationalshipping.com. You can reach out through our contact form. We have live chat there. We provide a lot of different ways for you to reach out and connect with us. So to protect your valuables and your belongings in an international move, choose people that are experts who do just that. And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead, click the like button, subscribe, share the video with a friend, or anybody that you think needs to hear this. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. We're happy to help. Anyway, this is Jim. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you move safely, efficiently, and stress-free.